Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2012 Jeep Compass, stock number 7031. This ran from the 7th 2011 to the 12th 2016. It has an MK 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the MK 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door 1 dent and scrape. Right front door 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,